Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today I received two $10 face rolls of Washington quarters that I purchased from eBay. Got a pretty good deal from the guy. He probably has had these for a while, or maybe he got them in a collection, but he obviously put these in rolls himself. And I think one of these I paid $210 for, so $210 for $10 face of Washington quarters, and the other one I paid $215. He originally had them, one of them at 215, or sorry, 225, and the other at 220. And I just said, hey, if I buy two of them, you don't have to mess around with coming up with two shipping methods to two separate buyers. So a lot of times when you buy this kind of stuff, or you see a seller on eBay, just ask them like, hey, what if I buy all of them, or multiple? And in the seller's perspective, it does save them money, because if they were to ship another package out to another individual, it would cost them at least $5 plus the shipping. Again, this is for sellers that are advertising free shipping. So I have not opened these up. These definitely are not original bank rolls. These are kind of the rolls that you buy in those roll sets. A little weird that he put the 65 with some skips. That's the P mint. So anyways, let's open this up and see what we got. I'm not expecting any thing gradable, and I do have a red book lying around here somewhere. One of these guys. It's a good point of reference. It's a lot easier. Why do people still have books? Well, it's a lot easier to look for key dates when you're going through your junk silver, if you feel like doing it. I'm just doing this for fun. So we're going to go to quarter dollars, and it says here from 45 to 65. Honestly, guys, I don't know what's a key date and what is what. I just bought it as a junk silver, and I figured at 21 over face was pretty decent, considering some places are buying junk silver at around 20 to 21. So anytime you can buy junk silver around what dealers are willing to pay for it, that's usually a pretty good thing. But I have seen some go up as high as 25 for junk. Obviously, spot is down today. I think it's like $24 and some change. I think it did go below 24, but the premiums on silver 90% is still pretty high. Okay, so I've got this open from my red book. And for P mint stuff, they're all pretty much $6. So when you look at these charts, unless you got a higher grade, you're pretty much looking at about $6. And that's when this was printed out. So I don't see any magical dates here. Oops, that's not the right year. For P mint stuff, looks like it's all going to be $6. So unless I have some outstanding condition one in here, there are no P mint mark dates. Maybe 1949. That's a rare one. That's about it. So I think he organized them too. So anyways, let's open this up. That's enough looking at a book. All right, so open these up. I'm just going to tear into it. And he probably organized them, and I'm just not caring about the organization because it's all pretty much junk. So let's see what kind of quality we have. Oh, he did put a 65 in there. That kind of sucks. That's not silver. Oh, well, that's my dumbness for buying that. Maybe he thought the 65s were silver. Who knows? But whatever. So we got a 46, 45, 64, silver, 64. Yeah, so these are just random. There's another 65. I'm not too excited about those. That's probably why I got this for $210. Anyways, I'm just opening this. I literally just got this in the mail. So the fact that there's actually 65s in here is kind of bogus. I thought he just made a mistake, but the guy literally put 65s in there. Yeah, maybe he thought they were silver. Whatever. So hopefully we'll get a 49 in here to make up for it. There's a 52, 56, 1950, a 53, a 56. I don't even know if I'll post this video. Like, watch this guy buy a roll and pay for 1965 non-silver quarters. What a dummy. Whatever, I'll post it. I don't care. 1952. And silver actually has a very unique sound when it bounces off. Oh my gosh, another 65. This one's actually not bad. So like, I know you guys are laughing like, what a fool, you bought some 65s, but that's actually a BEU. So it's, believe it or not, even though this is not silver, this is probably worth more than $6. I could be wrong. You see these other 65s. They're actually not bad. Yeah, they have some breast feathers on these. So at least the 65s that he did include, they're nice. They're not junk. I mean, they're not silver, but they are BU. So I don't know if you've ever found a 65 in your pocket change, but they look like complete culls. So the fact that there are 4 in here, yeah, that sucks. That's $1 face that I'm not going to get back. So that's like $20 in silver that doesn't exist in here. But it's okay because they're BU, so they're probably worth about $6 a piece anyways. Numismatically. This looks like another 65. Oh, it's a 64. It's actually a nice one. So something like that is worth a little more than $6. It's a 52. Still hoping for that 49. There's a 51. 64. 65. Another BU one though. So again, guys, when you're buying junk silver and the roll says 65, maybe you should keep that in consideration when you're bidding on it. Or not bidding on it, but doing buy it now. But whatever. I'm not going to yell at the seller. He did a fine job and it is what it is. 64. 51. So no 49s yet. 54. 1950. 3 more to go. At least they're all silver, the rest of these. Okay, well, that concludes that lovely video of a roll of 1945 to 65 with some skips, P mints, with five 1965 non-silver quarters, but they are BU or AUBU, so I guess that's okay. It's really not, but whatever. All right, give me a thumbs up, and I'm gonna do the Denver on the next video.